Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to study Bernoulli's equation in magnetohydrodynamics. Already we have studied Bernoulli's equation in fluid dynamics. Now we are going to study Bernoulli's equation in magnetohydrodynamics. We know that Bernoulli's equation is derived from momentum equation. So what is our momentum equation? In MHD, it is given by rho, where rho is density, dou q by dou t, where q is velocity and t is time. Q dot del q is equal to minus del p, which is pressure gradient, plus body force or force due to acceleration, and mu naught J cross H, which is a magnetic field term. So we know J can be written as del cross H. So mu naught del cross H cross H. J is del cross H, which we got using Ampere's law. So from Ampere's law, J is del cross H. And using vector identity, we know already we have derived this. Del cross H is equal to half of del of H square plus H dot del H. So this is our momentum equation. In place of J, we are substituting del cross H. So del cross H can be written as minus half of del H square plus H dot del H. Now we are going to replace del cross H using these two terms. So also G is acceleration due to gravity, and we can write G as minus del omega, where omega is gravitational potential. Since G is conservative, we can write G as minus del omega. This also we have seen already. Now this equation 1 can be reduced to this form. This equation can be written as rho dou q by dou t plus q dot del q is equal to minus del p plus rho into G is minus del omega plus mu naught J cross H is minus half of del H square plus H dot del of H. I am going to divide this equation throughout with rho. Also, this can be written as del of mu naught H square by 2. I am going to split these two terms and I am going to divide this equation throughout by rho. So, if I divide the equation by rho, dou q by dou t plus q dot del of q is equal to minus del p by rho. Rho will get cancelled, minus del omega. Here minus half of del mu naught H square by 2. Del mu naught is constant, H square by 2. And we have to divide the equation by rho. I have written 2 here. So rho. 1 by rho. We are dividing this equation by rho. Therefore minus del p by rho. Here rho will get cancelled. Therefore minus del omega. Here 1 by rho. This term I am writing it as del mu naught H square by 2. So if we differentiate this, 2 will get cancelled. And here mu naught by rho h dot del remains as it is. So here I have just divided the equation by rho. Also here already we have written del cross h as this form. So here instead of h I am substituting q. What I will get? Del cross q is equal to minus 1 by 2 del q square plus q dot del of q. So here we are having q dot del q. Here we are having q dot del q. So find this value. What is this value? Q dot del q is equal to del cross q plus half of del q square. Correct? Q dot del q is equal to del cross q plus half of del q square. Also we know del cross q can be written as omega, where omega is verticity vector. Del cross q is omega, where omega is verticity vector. Therefore this can be written as omega cross q plus half of del q square. So this is nothing but omega cross q plus del of q square by 2. We got this value. Now we are going to replace q dot del q as omega cross q plus del q square by 2. Therefore this equation, I will take it as equation 1. Equation 1 will reduce to dou q by dou t. First term remains as it is. Q dot del q is omega cross q plus del q square by 2. So I'll just write it as omega cross q plus del q square by 2, and RHS remains as it is, minus del p by rho minus del omega minus 1 by rho del mu naught h square by 2 plus mu naught by rho h dot del h. I will shift this term to RHS. So this equation becomes dou q by dou t plus omega cross q is equal to minus del p by rho minus del omega minus 1 by rho del mu naught h square by 2. I will shift del term to RHS, del q square by 2, and last term remains as it is, plus mu naught by rho h dot del h. Small mathematical simplification. This becomes dou q by dou t remains as it is. Omega cross q can be written as minus q cross omega, since a cross b is equal to minus b cross a. This del p by rho I can write it as minus del of integration of dp by rho. So integral of dp becomes p minus del omega remains as it is. Here this term minus del integral of d mu naught h square by 2 by omega, and this also can be written as minus del integral of d q square by 2, and last term mu naught by rho h dot del remains as it is. Now I can take minus del common throughout. So we will get LHS remains as it is. This LHS remains as it is, minus del of integral of dp by rho plus omega plus integral of d mu naught h square by 2 by rho. Here integral of q square by 2. Plus mu naught by rho h dot del remains as it is. We are going to solve this equation for two cases. First case, if the flow is steady flow. If the flow is steady flow, dou q by dou t will be 0. This is our first case. In first case, we are going to consider a steady flow, that is dou q by dou t is equal to 0. In second case, we are going to consider unsteady flow, that is dou q by dou t is not equal to 0. And we are considering flow is irrotational. So irrotational means del cross q is equal to omega is equal to 0. Already we have substituted omega as del cross q. Del cross q is equal to 0 in case of irrotational flow. So we are going to solve the equation in two cases. First case for steady flow. Second case is for unsteady flow and irrotational flow. For unsteady, dou q by dou t is not equal to 0. For irrotational, del cross q is equal to 0. So when del cross q is 0, we will get minus, first term becomes 0, dou q by dou t becomes 0. Second terms remains as it is, q cross omega is equal to minus del common, integral of dp by rho plus omega plus integral of d mu naught h square by 2 by rho and plus integral of d q square by 2 and last term mu naught by rho h dot del h. Here I have substituted dou q by dou t is 0 because we are considering steady flow. Also I am going to integrate this equation between 1 and 2. So integral between 1 to 2. Here also integration is between 1 to 2 with respect to ds. So integration is between 1 and 2 with respect to ds. Again integration with respect to ds, where ds is vector along tangential to the streamline and q is velocity, already I have told. In LHS, q cross omega, ds can be written as omega of ds cross q, and omega ds cross q is 0. Since omega ds cross q is 0, q cross omega ds is also 0. Therefore, LHS becomes 0 and our RHS remains as it is. We cannot integrate this until and unless h is 0, or h dot del h term should be 0. Only in those cases we can find the solution by integrating this term. In all other cases, this cannot be solved. Anyhow, we are considering MHD fluid flow. Therefore, h dot del h will not be 0. Suppose h dot del h is 0. What will happen? We will have del and integration will be opposite to each other. Therefore, we will left out with integral of dp by rho plus omega plus integral of d mu naught h square by 2 by rho plus integral of d q square by 2 is equal to constant. Since we are having integration here, this is integration constant. And integration of d q square by 2 is nothing but q square by 2. RHS is constant and first three terms remains as it is. This Bernoulli's equation is valid for barotropic fluid. So if the fluid is homogeneous, then this equation is for barotropic fluid. Suppose if the fluid is homogeneous, then density will be constant. Therefore here integration of dp by rho will become integration of p by rho, and omega is constant. Here again rho is constant. So mu naught h square by 2, and already we have q square by 2 equal to constant. So this is the required equation for homogeneous Bernoulli's equation. In second case, we are considering omega is equal to 0 and unsteady flow, or del cross q is 0. This is the second case we are considering. So in this case, our momentum equation becomes, we'll see what will happen to our momentum equation. Also in this case, q is conservative, therefore q can be written as del phi, where phi is velocity potential. So in our first equation we are having dou q by dou t. So dou by dou t of q is del phi. Second term is 0, q cross omega is 0, and our RHS is minus del of integral of dp by rho plus omega plus integral of d mu naught h square by 2 by rho plus integral of q square by 2 is q square by 2 itself plus mu naught by rho h dot del h. So this is our equation for second case. Here we can write dou by dou t of del phi as del of dou phi by dou t, and shift this to LHS, we will get del of integral of dp by rho plus omega plus d mu naught h square by 2 by rho plus q square by 2, and RHS is mu naught by rho h dot del of h. Again we are going to integrate this between the integral 1 and 2. Again we are going to take del common. So we will get integration of 1 to 2. Del is common. What are the remaining terms we are having? Dou phi by dou t plus integral of dp by rho plus omega plus integral of d mu naught h square by 2 by rho plus q square by 2, and the integration is with respect to s. 1 by 2 mu naught by rho h dot del h into ds. Again, until and unless h dot del h is 0, it is not possible to integrate this equation. H naught del h cannot be 0. Suppose if it is 0, then as in previous case, del and integration is reverse process. We will get equation as dou phi by dou t plus integral of dp by rho plus omega plus integral of d mu naught h square by 2 by rho plus q square by 2. Since we are having integration here, we are adding integration constant C1 or C itself. So again this equation is valid for barotropic fluid. If the fluid is homogeneous, then density become constant. This equation we can write it as dou Q, dou phi by dou T remains as it is. Next term is rho is constant. Therefore, we will get integration of dP is P itself. Therefore, P by rho plus omega plus mu naught h square by 2 rho plus q square by 2 equal to constant, that is C1. So this is Bernoulli's equation for homogeneous fluid.